What's up, guys? Anthony Edwards was able to drop 40 on Phoenix last night and sweep the Suns out of the playoffs. And this is another example of why I think Anthony Edwards is going to be the potential face of the league moving forward. Let me know what you guys think about how Minnesota moves forward. Do they have a chance knocking off Denver in the second round and potentially have a chance to win the West? And also, where do you think Anthony Edwards stacks up amongst the best in the league right now? Let me know in the comments what you think, and please like and subscribe.